Car into doing alignment, which this guy's gonna do.
Cool.
What's it called?
Thanks.
He works at the GM dealer. That's when we'll set your ride height for you. Okay.
All right. Cool.
What we'll do is we'll discuss what you want to do. Right? Do you do any track or anything like that?
I'm planning to. I'm gonna take a course this year.
Okay, cool. Because this car is really good. These are really good. There's multiple settings. Actually, the instructions for this,
Nice.
they kind of give you a guide on how to set them up.
Okay.
One thing, the spring rates for these, they are pretty stiff.
Yeah.
Even on the most comfortable rate, I'm gonna say they're probably.
Okay.
Check this out. It comes with a pillow. Like this whole, it's a ball-on axis mount.
Oh my god. That's what they meant by that. I read that in the ad. I didn't know what it meant.
So what we do is we have to actually push out the factory bushing, and they have their own setup. And it's actually, I was worried about it, but if you look down here, oh, you can't see it anymore. But there's actually, they have like a polyurethane bushing inside.
Nice. It's sweet.
So like it shouldn't be loud.
All right. Cool.
What's it called? So we're gonna put these together, probably need about 2 hours.
All right.
We're actually gonna talk about. We're actually gonna set we're actually gonna set the lowering right now. We're gonna set it at 1 inch lower, and we're gonna let it settle.
All right.
Okay. What's it called? Another thing, they don't come. A lot of coilovers, you probably noticed they come with frames.
So this is my 2015 Camaro 2SS RS. I have headers, R2C intake. The headers are from LG. And it has AFE street track coilovers with the performance adjustable shocks, 24 different settings. Right now I dropped the car just about 1 inch. It's got about 411 to the wheels with 417 torque. Johnny's gonna hold my phone while I give it a couple of revs for you guys. The motor. That's my motor. R2C intake. This gave me about 9 horsepower to the wheel after it was dynoed and tuned. And if you, I don't know if the video can get it, but the headers are LG. There's a 3-inch pipe at the bottom going down with high flow cats. That's my SS 2015. My dash, not the dash.
No, don't get it?
No, not the dash.
Oh, fuck. I was totally getting it.
Alright, here we're driving my Camaro 2015 SS, 2SS RS, on my favorite road, the Forks of the Credit, here in Ontario, Canada. It's just a great road. It's smooth and it's windy, and there's a lot of hills up and down. It's a quiet neighborhood, so I have to be careful. But I just installed new AFE street track adjustable coilovers, and I'm testing it out on this road. see. So I gotta take this slow. I have no choice. Because, you know, I love my car and I love my life. And my good friends in the car. And look at this. There's a train track right there and like 100-foot drop. Not good.